let's demo how Cisco will simplify your security. SecureX is a security platform embedded with every Cisco security product. It adds value even with one product and multiplies the capabilities as you add more or connect your security infrastructure. It's cloud native with no new technology to deploy. To start using it, just log in to a single sign-on account with secure authentication. The first benefit is unifying visibility across your entire security environment, Cisco or otherwise. On the left are your current product apps and new ones to try. In the center are customizable ROI metrics and operational measures across your security investments based on what's important for your business. The activity feed on the right notifies you of new analytic alerts, events, threat research, and more. Think about how much time and how many screens your teams must pivot between to get this level of visibility. And the time lost is cumulative, minutes, hours, days, increasing as you keep adding new technology. Click Marketplace Recommendations on the left to see the integrations with your security infrastructure that can unlock the full potential of your investments based on your most common workflows. And clicking on Applications reveals hundreds of third-party integrations you can activate across the Cisco security portfolio. This out-of-the-box interoperability greatly reduces complexity and overhead. Another benefit is enabling automation with your security workflows. Check out the two most recent events in our activity feed on the right. SecureX delivers the power of the largest threat research team on the planet into your SOC with Cisco Talos. Based on a new vulnerability report, Talos hunted for threats on your behalf and surfaced a new incident. Then, SecureX Analytics sent a potential data exfiltration alert that your company considers a high priority, which triggered a pre-built playbook. Note the pop-ups in the lower right corner. SecureX automatically assigned a case to a responder, so let's click it to investigate. This incident view aggregates information on the alert in one place, including the network traffic analysis that generated it and the playbook actions that already ran. A selection of pre-built playbooks is available via the Automation tab at the top of the screen. You can also build your own using defined actions and third-party adapters. This playbook automatically enriched the alert using our endpoint security and advanced search apps. It added observables, including the target endpoint and its connection to an IP address hosted in China. And it enables better collaboration by including other security analysts on the case. Think about how manual this workflow is today across multiple products. Now, let's take action with SecureX's Threat Response app. We see the target connecting to this IP, and the IP resolves to a domain for which two files, one benign and one malicious, have connected in the past. The responder deems this as a valid threat, and SecureX provides the ability to immediately isolate the endpoint on any network. To fully mitigate the data exfiltration risk, let's ensure no other endpoint can reach this IP address. SecureX can immediately block every user and device globally from connecting to the suspicious domain with our cloud security. Think of the potential for human error to not see these relationships immediately, plus the extra time it takes to pivot between a few product screens without any shared context to complete the orchestrated workflow. SecureX provides more control with less effort using your existing security investments. Let's see if other automated jobs are running in the background to strengthen your security. Remember that threat hunt incident we saw in our activity feed? The Advanced Search app captured a forensic snapshot of it, so let's dive deeper. You may have noticed that while I've left the dashboard, SecureX is always with me for a consistent experience. It automatically extracts observables from every page I visit that may become relevant information to future incidents. SecureX automatically correlated an IP to our original incident that we saw in the threat response, the cloud security, and the search app. Our IT ops team uses the search app to identify and inventory assets. And because SecureX shared context generated by SecOps and IT ops, it accelerated threat hunting. Together with unified visibility, analytics, and automated workflows, SecureX can advance the security maturity of any size team. These are just a few examples of how SecureX will reduce complexity. SecureX becomes available this June. Until then, join the SecureX waitlist to receive updates and request more information.